Welcome to Star Professional College. This is Side by Side Book 1, Chapter 1.
What's your name?
My name is Maria.
What's your address?
My address is 235 Main Street.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 741-8906.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico City.
Hello, my name is Peter Lewis.
Hi, I'm Nancy Lee. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
My name is David Carter. I'm American. I'm from San Francisco.
My name is Mrs. Grant. My phone number is 549-2376.
My name is Ms. Martinez. My telephone number is 213-694-5555. My fax number is 213-694-5557.
My name is Peter Black. My address is 378 Main Street, Waterville, Florida. My license number is 921-DCG.
My name is Susan Miller. My apartment number is 4B.
My name is Mr. Santini. My email address is teacherjoe@worldnet.com.
My name is William Chen. My address is 294 River Street, Brooklyn, New York. My telephone number is 469-7750. My social security number is 044-359862.
Listen and choose the correct answer. 1.
What's your name?
Mary Black.
2.
What's your address?
265 Main Street.
3.
What's your apartment number?
5C.
4.
What's your telephone number?
259-4087.
5.
What's your social security number?
032-89-6179.
6.
What's your email address?
maryb@worldnet.com.
Pronunciation. Linked sounds. Listen, then say it.
My name is Maria. My address is 10 Main Street. My apartment number is 3B.
Say it, then listen.
My name is David. My address is 9 River Street. My phone number is 941-2238.
What's your name?
My name is Maria.
What's your address?
My address is 235 Main Street.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 741-8906.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico City.
What's your name?
My name is Michael Pearson.
My name is Asako Fujiyama.
My name is Ron Walters. What's your name? What's your address?
My address is 9 Park Street.
My address is 568 School Street.
My address is 749 River Street. What's your address? What's your phone number?
My phone number is 539-4271.
My phone number is 295-6843.
My phone number is 263-2829. What's your phone number? Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto.
I'm from Tokyo.
I'm from Chicago. Where are you from?